This is Saxon, Advanced Math, Lesson 101.8, and we're going to talk about zero determinants. Okay, now, only square matrices have determinants, and so we've already worked with this. And square matrices, of course, they have the same number. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. And then zero determinants in the denominator equals no common solution. So we're just going to go jump back to elimination. So if I had this equation here and I said, I want to solve this by elimination, if I added these up, I would end up with a 6x and a 3y and a 22, and that doesn't really help me here because that doesn't eliminate anything. So if I went back to elimination way back in the 9th grade, and I said, what would I multiply this equation by to get it to eliminate? Well, how about a negative 2? So if I did that, negative 2 would give me a negative 4. Negative 2 would give me a negative 2, right? And times 1. Negative 2 would give me a negative 28. Now I can add these up with elimination. Negative 4 and 4, and that's 0, right? Negative 2 and 2, that's 0. And I've got a problem here. This has no common solution. If we notice that these are parallel lines, and so you remember that parallel lines have no common solution because how many times do parallel lines cross? Well, none. And that's why this is a no solution. Now, if I were to do the same thing in Cramer's rule, right? And remember how we're going to do Cramer's rule with our determinants. So we're going to say 8 times 1, which is 8, and 14 times 2, which is 28. I'm going to say 8 minus 28, right, is negative 20. And then I'm going to say 4 times 1 is 4, minus 2 times 2, here we go, negative 4. And I end up 4 minus 4, which is 0. And this also proves that this is a no common solution because division by 0 is not allowed. Now, I don't even have to do the y to know this because remember that when I'm working with Cramer's rule, the denominator is all these numbers, right? 4, 2, 2, 1. 4, 2, 2, 1. That's where these are coming from. And so the denominator is the same on both, and therefore will yield the same 0 on both. And so the determinant is division. It would cause division by 0, and therefore is not allowed. And so this right here, this is how I determine, hey, these are parallel lines. And of course, I could probably look at this and see this, that they have the same slope, and that is the other way to solve that.